So assuming I have two folders, DevOps and DevOps 2, and I go into one folder, say DevOps. I go into this folder, DevOps. Now, if I want to go to, say, DevOps 2, technically what I have to do is I have to go one step backwards, which will bring me to this place. And then I go into this one. That's the idea. But with the help of CLI, I don't have to do that. I could just do CD ... It means go one step backwards. And once you get to one step backwards, go into DevOps 2. And then all of a sudden I'm in DevOps 2. So I don't really have to go back and then come do enter and then do that. All I have to do is I'll tell the system that, hey, let's just go back to one step backwards. And then when I get backwards, which is coming back to documents. So here I'm going back to document. That's what I'm saying here. But this one is saying once I get to documents, because of the CD, I want to go into the DevOps 2 folder or directory, and then easily I would move into the DevOps 2 directory.